Let's go finish the ice creams. Finish with make a banana split. Okay, let's go cut the bananas. And I need and I have 2 customers to taste these bananas. Banana. Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna open up our brown sugar packages. Use raw brown sugar. And you're gonna wanna put your bananas diagonally.
And I cut a little bit of strawberries. I really clean it. Oh. I want to put it in the banana split fresh strawberries to give more flavor for the strawberry sauce. Okay, that's done.
Here we go. We have our bananas ready.
Okay. You can
okay, now we're gonna torch them. It smells really good.
Smell the sugar with the banana together. I have in here my almond and espresso crumbs, and I need to put it in here. I need to, Jocelyn, put the ice cream, stracciatella, and the stracciatella, and lavender,
and the other flavor? Sea salt caramel.
Sea salt caramel. Okay, can you scoop one scoop here and I scoop another one? Ooh, look at that, Jocelyn. Look the color for the stracciatella, the chips.
Okay, so I'm gonna scoop out a little scoop of the sea salt caramel. A lot on there. You can share this. Or also you can have it alone. Okay. Okay, I'll do a small one.
A small one, see.
Okay, there we go.
Yep.
Sea salt.
Sea salt. Okay, let's go to take one and the lavender. I want to put a little bit of banana. Wow, I think everybody wants to come in here, Jocelyn, to Chocolate Secret to taste this.
Banana split.
I will put a little bit of strawberries fresh on the top. See, Jocelyn?
Bananas.
Oh, wow.
Look good that looks working.
I know. And you see all the sauce is ready that I make in the morning. Okay, you need to add a little bit of sea salt. A little bit of strawberry. No? A little bit of whipped cream there. Wow.
Good. Ready.